All right, guys, so today we are looking at a new keyboard because many of you maybe saw that I bought this little gaming desktop for myself. Nothing overly exciting, but it seems to be doing the job. And it came with this horrific keyboard. Now, it's like, I don't know why they put a keyboard. It's a freebie. It's a throw-in. Let's just say what it is. And they came with a really crap mouse. Luckily, I had a nice wireless mouse here, so I'm using that. But keyboard-wise, not pleased with this. It's just not a great... And it's a English/French keyboard, and because of that, the keys are a little, not what I was wanting. Anyways, I was hoping to get a wireless keyboard, and these guys here, Keychron, asked if I want to take a look at this. This is the Keychron K3. I should actually do this just so you guys can see what I'm doing here. The Keychron K3. This is they have two. Well, they have a bunch of like wireless gaming, but in the K3 line, they have a K3 Ultra Slim wireless, which I think is this one, and they have a K3 Pro wireless custom mechanical keyboard, both mechanical. This is version 2. They also have like carry cases and options for key combinations and a travel pouch, all kinds of stuff. If you actually look at their products, you can see they've got more keyboards and stuff that you and I should know what to do with. But this is it here, $118 US. And once this loads up, which could be any day now, here we go. We have a white backlight version, an RGB backlight version, low profile mechanical, a Gateron, looks, maybe that's sold out. And then they have a low profile Keychron, can't speak, no, optical, hot-swappable, switch options, red, blue, brown. Blues looks like it's not necessarily there, but I will put links down below. You guys can take a look at it. That's it. I like it because it's, it doesn't have a lot of bezels around it. It's going to be able to take this behemoth. It is thin, but it feels light and cheap, and the keys are bleh. Incorporating world's first hot swappable low profile optical switches to customize per key typing experiences. Yeah. So very, very cool. Optical or Gateron switches, but it's something that you choose. Aluminum body, I like that. Connect up to 3 devices, like that. Mac and Windows, love that. Type-C plug, which means that if you don't need it wireless, you can just have it connected all the time. So maybe here, but when I go back to the house and I'm like, I need to connect to my computer that's connected to the TV, and I have my keyboard and mouse in front of the couch, so I can, you know what I'm saying? Then wireless and wired, right? Ultra slim. There's a whole bunch of cool, 75% layout. So it must be that the keys are a little tighter. So if you're looking at a full-size keyboard, it is going to be a little bit smaller. But again, I don't care so much. 6 and 9 degree angles, and suitable for all devices. And here's that hot swap. Not that I will ever do that, but you know what? Some people, that's their jam. That's their jam, and I'm okay with it. $118 US. That seems reasonable. All right. Anyway, this is it here. So again, on the back it has all your stuff: low profile switches, compact design, dual compatibility. This says dual compatibility. Oh, Windows, Mac. I'm with you. Wireless and wired. Pair up to 3 devices. With a capacity of a 1550 milliamp battery, 1 to 2 weeks when the backlight is disabled. So just be aware. 15 plus light effects to switch from. Very cool. I'm excited. I do need to find myself another wireless mouse. So if any of you guys have an option, an idea. Now, this is just for when I'm at the house. Here, I don't mind. I have this wireless one, which I really like. But if you are like cheap, I don't want to spend a lot of money because, again, I don't use it very often. But on the occasion, let me know what you think. Okay. So, the box. And I know normally you guys are used to top-down cameras, but I haven't set that stuff up yet because it's not all here. That's nice. It's a very nice. And that you get, there's your nice long, and it's braided. Yes, braided. That's cool. So that you got your USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other, like that. I guess if you're someone who wants to swap keys just to try some different colors on certain things, you got some extra key things there. I'm guessing this is the key popper offer. That's right, popper offer. And you get a, if you're a, what does this say here? If you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate key caps in the box. Then follow the instructions below to find and replace the following keys. Oh, so that's if you're. So what are you saying? Is this Mac out of the box? What? What? That can't be right. Mac out of the box. Well, that's nice. It already feels nice. Wouldn't that be something if it was Mac out of the box? And weirdly enough, if this is what I needed on a PC. Yeah, Mac out of the box. Look at that. Right? See that? Got like command keys and stuff like that. Out of the box. Weirdly enough though, we're going to test it right now on a Mac. Turn on, what is this? Turn on carrot browsing. I don't even know what that means. Nope. So I'm going to put this down here. Can you guys see that? You can see it a little bit. Maybe if I angle. Can I angle you down a bit? Come join me down here. Come join me. Ready? There we go. Join me. I like it because they're not like crazy clangy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like, yeah, that's all right. I like that. And it literally feels like it's just keys. Like there's no frame at all, right? And I will pop these off at some point because this will be primarily for this computer. But I like it. I like that a lot, actually. Is there an on button? So on the back, just so you guys can see how to do this, so maybe it focuses there, right? So there's your USB, and then on the side here, it's Bluetooth off or cable, right? And then it actually has Windows, Android, Mac OS. So I'm guessing that Windows, this is Android. Oh, I see. It must be 3 switches. So if you want, maybe. It only feels like 2, which is weird. Windows, Android, Mac OS, Mac and iOS. So you can use it with iOS as well. So I'm going to switch it all the way to Mac. I'm going to switch it to Bluetooth. Oh, did it automatically light up? I thought I saw something. I thought I saw some light. No? Maybe? Oh, a little light came on. I did see a little light. Let's just go up here. I need to turn my screen recording back on for you fine folks. Let's see if, I'm wondering if this will let me see it. I don't want to disconnect the keyboard yet. I don't think. Nearby devices, searching. So you would think that there would be maybe, oh, you got to tilt it a little bit. When you're looking straight at it, let's see, look. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like if I hit a button, you kind of have to look at it on an angle. Yes? I don't know what I did. Yeah, you kind of see down here? There's a little bit of light. If you hit the little light button. But I have a feeling, honestly, I have a feeling that maybe, oh, what is this? This is CL3, that's not it. Maybe this is, what you call it? Bluetooth. I'm on Mac. There's got to be home and yeah, because you see this part of this keyboard where all this stuff sits. That's all on the like the down here. That's all right. Don't see like a power button necessarily, an actual power button. For turning it on off, except for going from Bluetooth to off to cable, right? So I switched it to Bluetooth. It lights up, and you come in here, and you wait, and you wait, and I don't see it popping up. at all. So what does it say? Oh, maybe it is. Oh, to connect Bluetooth. So first off, you should read the instructions. Press the function and the 1 for 4 seconds and pair with device named Keychron. Okay. So I need to hit the function key, which is over here, and the 1. The 1, just the 1. For 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it do anything? Yeah, it's right there. Connect. See? Read the instructions and magic happens. I'm connected. Did it disconnect my other keyboard? It did not. That's neat. That's neato Kino. Okay, well let's just bring up a note. Right? This, I don't know what that is. Don't care. Delete works. Greg is here and he's on an amazing keyboard. It's nice. I like this. Bluetooth connects fast. Now, the other question would be like when the computer boots, how fast is it going to actually connect? Because I know my this one that I use here, it goes to sleep every once in a while. I think Bluetooth just does that. It goes to sleep for a little bit, and then of course it takes like 2-3 seconds when you hit a key for it to wake up and reconnect. Not that big an issue. You get used to it, and it only happens once it's like not being used for whatever 20 minutes or something like that. But this is nice. Like my old keyboard, same idea, right? Super thin. It's not mechanical. And this one's a little bit bigger than my old one, but mechanical keys. Like, come on now. That's awesome. And it's super cool looking, right? Super cool looking. I'm down with it. I think this is going to be a very nice keyboard. And of course, I'm going to be using this on this guy right here. All right, guys, if you guys are interested, I will put links to Keytrons. And they have a whole bunch. They do. They have a whole bunch of keyboards. So take a look, see if there's one that's interests you. And that's all. Later.